Now I will tell you 6 signs your phone may get hacked. The first one is the noticeable decrease in a battery life. Okay, see your phone, if suddenly your battery life used to decreased, and see eventually every phone will get battery life will be get reduced due to the usage, yearly uses. But there is a suddenly, if the battery life used to decrease, that not from the previous experience you have been seen, that your battery from 100 to 60 coming very fastly down, and the decrease in lifespan can also be found at your mobile, that the battery part also get heated very much than previously. So this might be a sign that your phone might have get hacked. So okay, this you can find out. This you can just simply find out by checking regular updates. Now the smartphones have the regular updates of battery graphs, so you can check about that one. The second is the sluggish performance. See, your phone might have suddenly get freezed up, frozen up, and application has to be crashed, and it might written that the application try to be getting to be forced to close, report and all. See, actually this might be one of the sign that the malware has been attacked on your phone, or some viruses have been there on your phone. So this could be happening because the overloading of the phone resources or crashing of other applications. You might experience continue running of apps despite you close them, or even your phone is crashing or restart repeatedly. So this is also one of the issues, sluggish performance issue. If you get a suddenly lags and all, and freezing, but it's not happening previously, and suddenly this might have been happened, so this might also be a problem. The third one is the high data usage. See, another signs of compromised phone is usually high data bills at the end of the month. See, sometime you can see that at the end you will be paying the monthly bill or the daily usage of your GB try to increase just suddenly. This might be sign that your phone may have some malware or viruses attacked, because this malware will, what they will do, they will take informations and send, they will run in the background and use your data. So this might be also useful to check it out, as a high data usage is also one of the part. Fourth one is the outgoing calls or texts you did not able to send. Okay, see, if you are seeing list of calls or text to a number you don't know, beware that this could be a premium nated number that malware is forcing on your mobile to contact. See, this process of which land in the cybercrime wallet. In this case, check your mobile bills for any calls you don't recognize. The fifth one, we will talking about the mystery pop-ups. See, while not all pop-ups means your phone has been hacked, constant pop-ups alert could indicate that your phone has been infected or adware. Adware means that the ad which are coming without your knowledge and which are caused by malwares. A form of malware that forces devices to view certain pages that drive revenue through clicks. Even if a pop-up isn't a result of compromised phone, many may be finishing link that attempt to get user to type of sensitive information or download malware. See, in this, a sudden pop-up will come on your phone and they will ask you to download this app, that app, and if you are trying to install them, then that malware may be entered through their sources. So if you have this previously issue before installing some app, some pop-up would have come and you have installed from that, kindly uninstall them, because this might be one of the reason for your mobile to be get slower or attacked by your malwares. Now the sixth one, usually unusual activity on any account linked to this account. That means, see, if a hacker get access to your mobile, they also have access to its account, from social media to emails to various lifestyles or productive apps. This could reveals itself its activity on accounts such as reset of passwords, sending emails, making unread emails. See, like in your messages, it will be popping up that this sudden password change have been done, and the messages which you have not read was marked as a read one, and you will be getting verification codes, OTP and all, which you have been not went into it, that you won't asked for that. So you can find out by this method that if you're getting this type of messages and alertness, So your account may get hacked or malware have been attacked to your phones.